this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Coinbase. So from your Coinbase home screen, you are firstly going to make sure that you have cash in your account. So let's say you have crypto just like me, then in order to withdraw money from your Coinbase, you need to convert this into cash. So let's go ahead and click on crypto. And here select the crypto that you want to sell, because in order to get cash, you need to sell some of your crypto. So I'm going to sell my Solana, so click on Solana. And here I'm going to click on buy and sell at the bottom left. Click on sell, enter the amount of crypto that you want to sell, and I'm just going to sell all of my Solana. And here you can select where you want your crypto to be deposited to, and I want it to be deposited to my Euro wallet, so that is selected right now. But if you want something else, then click on the arrow down and select the wallet that you want. So if everything is correct, click on sell now at the bottom. So our order has been submitted. Now we click on done. And as you can see, my crypto is now converted into cash. And now I'm going to show you how you can withdraw money from Coinbase. So let's go ahead and click on transfer at the bottom right. And here we're going to click on withdraw cash all the way at the bottom. And here you need to enter the amount of money that you wish to withdraw. I'm going to withdraw 2 euros. If you click on transfer to, you can add payment methods and bank accounts where you want to send your money to. So I'm just going with my normal bank account. So I'm going to click on this. If everything is correct, you're going to click on preview. And when you click on withdraw cash now, you will withdraw money from your Coinbase. So that is how you withdraw money from Coinbase. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing. And then I see you in the next one.